Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, PE and Health, Grade 5, Quarter 2, Lesson 1. Our topic for this week is about Topic 1, Changes During Puberty. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Describe concepts, effects, and ways to manage changes during puberty. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to A. Identify physical, social, emotional, and mental changes during puberty. B. Analyze the impact of changes during puberty. And C. Develop coping strategies in managing puberty changes. Here are the contents. First, changes during puberty. Physical, growth spurt, primary and secondary sexual characteristics, menstruation and wet dreams, etc. Social, emotional, and mental or intellectual changes. Impact of changes during puberty. Second, management of changes during puberty, with emphasis on skin, body, and genital care, menstrual hygiene, management, and sleep hygiene. Day 1. Let's have a short review. Activity 1, Exploring Changes. Directions: take a moment to analyze the following changes presented on the board or on the screen and check off the ones you currently experience or have noticed happening to yourself. Growing taller. Developing breast for girls. Voice deepening for boys. Growing body hair, underarms, legs, face, etc. Acne or pimples appearing. Changes in body shape. Increased sweating. Body odor. Menstruation for girls. Facial hair growth for boys. Changes in skin texture, oiliness, dryness. Growth of genitalia. Mood swings. Increased appetite. Changes in sleep patterns. Increased self-awareness. Lesson purpose. Questions. Number 1. Do you recognize any similarities between the changes occurring in boys and in girls? Possible answer: I see that I am growing taller and my body is changing shape. I am growing hair in new places like my underarms. I can get pimples and sweat more. And sometimes I have mood swings. I also start to care more about how I look and feel. Number 2. What are these changes occurring in your body? Possible answer: some changes happening in my body are that I am getting taller and my body shape is different from when I was younger. I have hair growing on my underarms, sometimes get pimples on my face, and sweat more. I also notice that I get hungry a lot and my mood changes quickly. Today, we learned that puberty is a normal part of growing up. Our bodies go through many changes to prepare us for adulthood. We talked about changes like growing taller, developing breasts for girls, and voice deepening for boys. Each of us got a checklist to mark the changes we are starting to notice. We reflected on how each change relates to us, helping us understand puberty better. We learned that it's normal to experience these changes and that we're all going through it together. Unlocking content vocabulary, puberty. The period during which adolescents reach sexual maturity and become capable of reproduction. Adolescence. The period following the onset of puberty during which a young person develops from a child into an adult. Hygiene. Practices conducive to maintaining health and preventing disease, especially through cleanliness. Coping strategies. Behavioral and cognitive tactics used to manage crisis, conditions, and demands that are appraised as distressing. Topic number 1, changes during puberty. Puberty typically begins in people between the ages of 8 and 14. Puberty frequently begins earlier in females than in males. When you reach puberty, you physically mature into an adult. Your body goes through numerous changes when you reach puberty. Puberty occurs gradually over several years rather than all at once. Some puberty-related changes may appear years after the onset of other indicators. Since every person's body is different, so too is puberty. Everybody experiences changes at a different rate. Physical changes. Growth spurts. You may notice that you're growing taller at a faster rate than before. Boys' growth spurt peaks around age 13 and a half and slows around age 18. Girls' growth spurt peaks around age 11.5 and slows around age 16. Development of secondary sexual characteristics. Boys. This includes the deepening of the voice, the growth of facial and body hair, and an increase in muscle mass. Having regular nocturnal emissions or wet dreams marks the beginning of puberty in boys. Wet dreams typically start between ages 13 and 17. The average age is about 14 and a half years. Boys may begin to notice that their testicles and scrotum grow as early as age 9. Soon, the penis begins to lengthen. For girls, girls experience breast development and the widening of hips. Pubic hair, armpit, and leg hair usually begin to grow at about age 9 or 10 and reach adult patterns at about 13 to 14 years. Menarche is the beginning of menstrual periods. Typically occurs about 2 years after early breast and pubic hair appear. It may occur as early as age 9 or as late as age 16. The average age of menstruation in the United States is about 12 years. Changes in body shape. Both boys and girls may experience changes in body proportions as their bodies develop. Hormones. Hormonal changes can lead to increased oil production in the skin, making adolescents more prone to developing acne or pimples. Body odor. The body sweat glands become more active, so you may notice sweating more, especially in areas like the underarms, palms, and feet. Social changes. Puberty also brings about changes in how we interact with others and perceive ourselves in social settings. These changes include increased interest in peers. You may find yourself spending more time with friends and becoming more interested in social activities. Formation of romantic interest. You may start to develop crushes or feel attracted to others in a romantic way. Family dynamics. As you grow older, your relationships with family members may evolve, with a growing desire for independence and autonomy. Looking for an identity. You may try to figure out how you are different from others and how you fit into the world. Emotional changes. Emotionally, puberty can be a roller coaster ride as hormones surge and new experiences shape our feelings and reactions. Some common emotional changes include mood swings. You may find yourself experiencing intense emotions that fluctuate rapidly from happiness to sadness to anger. Increased sensitivity. You may become more sensitive to criticism or rejection, as well as more empathetic towards others. Self-awareness. Puberty often prompts a heightened sense of self-awareness as you become more conscious of your identity and place in the world. Feeling uncertain. This uncertainty becomes more evident when the expectations that people close to you have from you also change. You may be expected to take on greater responsibilities than what was expected from you as a child. Eventually, you will grow into your new roles and become more certain about yourself. But this process will take its own time depending on how you respond to this situation. Mental changes. Puberty is not just about physical and emotional changes. It also involves significant cognitive development. Mental changes during puberty may include increased curiosity and exploration. You may find yourself questioning things more and seeking out new experiences and ideas. Developing critical thinking skills. Puberty is a time when you begin to form your own opinion and perspectives on various topics. Changes in interest and hobbies. As your personality develops, you may find that your interests and hobbies evolve to reflect your changing preferences and priorities. Puberty is a complicated and life-changing time that brings about a wide range of physical, social, emotional, and mental changes. While these changes can sometimes be challenging to navigate, it's essential to remember that they are a normal part of growing up. By understanding and embracing these changes, you can navigate puberty with confidence and self assurance, knowing that you are on the path to becoming the unique individual you are meant to be. Worked example. Puberty is a transformative period in an individual's life, marked by a myriad of physical, mental, social, and emotional changes. These changes not only shape our bodies but also influence how we perceive ourselves and interact with the world around us. We will explore the impact of these changes and how they contribute to our overall development during adolescence. Activity number 1, expectation versus reality. Directions: students will list and discuss all their expectations about the impact of puberty on their body, mind, society, and emotions. We'll learn about the real changes that usually happen during puberty and discuss how they might be different from what we expected. Get ready to listen, share, and learn. The teacher will explain real changes that usually happen during puberty and discuss how they might be different from what we expected. Activity 1, expectation versus reality, impact on the body. Here is the example answer. Students' expectations: I expect that my body will grow taller and bigger. I think I will have more hair in new places like my underarms. I might get pimples and sweat more. For girls, I expect to have menstruation. For boys, their voice might get deeper. In reality, our perception of ourselves and our confidence in our body may be affected by these changes, particularly if we feel uneasy about our evolving appearance or compare ourselves to social norms. Additionally, physical changes may affect our participation in sports, activities, and daily routines, requiring adjustments to accommodate our evolving bodies. Next, students' expectations. I think I will start thinking more like a teenager and not like a kid. I might be more curious about things and want to know more about my body and other people. Reality: mental changes during puberty encompass cognitive development, critical thinking skills, and the formation of personal identity. Adolescents may experience increased curiosity, introspection, and questioning of societal norms and values. Stress, anxiety, and self doubt can also be increased by the difficulties in juggling peer relationships, future goals, and academic responsibilities. Students' expectations: I expect that people might treat me more like a young adult. Maybe my parents will give me more responsibilities. I might also feel shy or embarrassed sometimes when people notice my changes. Reality: our social dynamics change during puberty as we negotiate romantic interests, friendships, and peer groups. Group dynamics, cliques, and social circles may change as a result of heightened social awareness and the need for acceptance. As teenagers seek approval and a sense of belonging, peer influence becomes increasingly significant and affects behaviors, attitudes, and decision-making processes. Students' expectations. I expect my feelings will change a lot. I might get mad or sad easily or feel excited for no reason. I might want more privacy and time alone. Sometimes I might feel scared or confused about these changes. Reality: teens can go through a wide spectrum of feelings, such as loneliness and insecurity, as well as exhilaration and euphoria. Gaining emotional intelligence, resilience, and coping skills are crucial for adolescent transitions and building of healthy relationships. Activity number 2, puberty changes impact wheel. Materials needed: Manila paper or cartolina, markers, sticky notes or index cards, and pens or pencils. Directions. First, divide the class into groups. Second, create a puberty changes impact wheel to show how physical, mental, social, and emotional changes during puberty can affect us by drawing a big circle and divide it into 4 sections, one for each type of change. Third, students will brainstorm specific examples or experiences related to each type of change and write them on the sticky notes or index cards. Fourth, once the groups have completed their brainstorming, have them place their sticky notes or index cards in the corresponding sections of the puberty change impact wheel. Fifth, share the group's wheels with the class and discuss how puberty changes can impact us in different ways. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!